my bag that I am absolutely loving lately. It has a super cute chain and a strap on it. Like, I love how it got a half chain and half strap on it, and the pattern is this crocodile pattern that's going on around for a while now. So yeah, this is the one. The shade is my absolutely favorite color of purple. So let's get in. Also, I got my AirPod attached on the side. I like to keep my AirPod on the side no matter what. So we got here my perfume. I am loving this piece. It's a really nice small travel size mist, and this, oh my gosh you guys, this love perfume is so good. I have not used it much because you guys can see I already put a lot of perfume before leaving the house, so I just have this backup in case somebody needs it or I need it, you know, just in case to retouch up. So yeah. And we have here my phone. It got a super cute phone case on it. Right now it says being happiest person, baby you look so cool, just a happy quotes on it that makes me happy. And yes, it's purple, the case is clear. I absolutely love my phone, and that's it. I must keep a mirror or a compact, but usually I'm going for mirror because I don't use my compact, you know, those powder compacts. I don't use them, so I have to keep a mirror in my bag no matter what. They switch up sometimes. Right now I got this cute purple one, but yeah, I literally have to keep a mirror in my bag. My wallet, ooh, this will be blurred out because it's from a secret project and I cannot share it right now, but once you guys will know about the project, you guys will be able to see this as well super soon. But yeah, I got some cash and coins in it. I like to carry a moisturizer as well, so this one is Dahlia by Bath and Body Works Shea Butter Hand Cream, and it's quite small, travel size, perfectly fits in my bag. I usually like to go with the same mist that I'm having right now, but the mist that I'm having, Love Victoria's Secret perfume, that is a little bit huge. I have the original size hand moisturizer, but I do not keep that. I just keep this one, just, you know, in case sometimes you need to have a little bit of scent and cute hands, so I just have it in my bag. Hand sanitizer is a must, so I got here Himalaya hand sanitizer. It kills 299% germs, so I always carry a hand sanitizer no matter what. Oh my gosh you guys, this is my baby. I absolutely love this. Ever since my sister bought these and I discovered these clips, I am obsessed. This clip is literally a lifesaver. You can just put it back on and seal the deal, and your snack is good to go. You can have it whenever you like to have it, and you can just open it and close it back again. No matter what, I always put a perfume card in my bag whenever I'm at the mall or somewhere. Like a dude or a lady would be like, would you like to smell this perfume? And I'd be like, sure. I just put that in my bag. My bag smells absolutely amazing. You guys, this is the best hack you can do. So I have a lot of lippies with me, so let's go one by one. First of all, I got these Boots lip balm stick, coconut and almond moisturizing and softening, and this is a really nice lip balm, and I bought it recently, but I've been loving it lately, and it's really nice. Milani cream lipstick. It is in shade Bahama Beige 55. This is my go-to. I believe I have said this a billion times, but I will say it again. I love this. MAC cream lipstick. It is in such a cute shade, like kinda sexy. This is super cute, and oh my gosh, I love this shade. It's almost gone, but we still got some. So yeah. So we got here Milani liquid matte lipstick. It is in shade Adorable. This brown nude shade is just cutest. I like to mix it around with my lip gloss, but separately on its own it's also super cute. I got over here Essence Extreme Shine lip gloss. This is a super cute one. It's in shade Pink Panther, and just like I said, I like to mix and match my lipsticks. So yeah, it is a super nice shade. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. We got over here Sweet and Shimmer lip gloss. There are 4 shades in it, and it comes out like so. It's a really nice one, but you have to like go through all the shades to get to the bottom. But I like to mix and match it. It's quite shimmery, like it says, Sweet and Shimmer. Lastly, I got my rings, and that's it. That's all in my bag.